Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips Series, where we walk you through making the best possible choice in quality parts. In this episode, we'll deal with your car's clutch. Unlike the many other parts presented in this series, we at Goldwagen do not recommend that you attempt a clutch replacement by yourself, unless you're a trained and experienced technician. The process on modern cars is complex and requires specialist tools and knowledge to ensure that the fitting is done correctly. We'll therefore not be covering the process of fitting a new clutch, but rather provide you with the things to look out for when your technician is doing the work. You may need to replace your clutch if the clutch pedal feels soft, loose, or sticky when you operate it. You have trouble shifting gears. There's a general burning smell in your car, and especially if this smell becomes stronger when operating your clutch, or you hear any other noises like grinding or clattering while depressing the clutch pedal. It's important to understand that the clutch is there to regulate engine power transmission to the gearbox and prevent your gears from grinding and causing damage whenever you start your car or change gears. Since the clutch plays a vital role in the smooth running of your vehicle, it's important to install a new clutch that is of the same type and brand as the old one, if at all possible. Be sure to double-check with your technician that this is the case, as even the slightest difference between the old and new clutch can lead to anything from increased wear and tear through to serious malfunctions. You're welcome to stop by any Goldwagen store and ask for assistance with regards to ensuring that you acquire the right clutch type for your specific vehicle make and model. In respect to our demonstration vehicle, the 2011 Renault Sandero 1.6, some clutch options include LUK, Valio, Sachs, and Blueprint. Remember, have an RMI-approved technician replace your clutch for you and visit Goldwagen to get advice on which clutch to purchase. Need help finding quality parts? Goldwagen can assist you to make the right choice. Goldwagen, quality parts for the widest range of vehicles.